welcome to my channel Selling to Success. Now, beginning the day with a healthy thing. As you can see, I'm picking some fresh tulsi leaves. I put it in this bowl and now I'm gonna put these leaves in the fresh water and keep it at rest for 2 minutes. That one could not make it to the glass, as you can see. So yes, now I'm just washing off all the dirt. Now you can boil this for at least 3 to 4 minutes in the high flame. It is ready to consume. So tulsi water daily improves your bowel movements and it also fights against acid reflexes as well as indigestion and other digestive problems. It also prevents your respiratory disorder. And more, nevertheless, you can just strain it out. And as you can see, I'm just putting a spoon like this and I'm just straining all the residue out. Now your holy basil water is ready. Now with the fresh sunlight or the first sun rays, I'm just enjoying my holy water. Now this was the note which I have already made yesterday, you have seen. Now today I'm just going to continue this note. Well, so now while doing these things, I'm gonna tell you how you can focus on your study and I'm gonna provide you some tips today. So these are first tip. Are you ready for it? So let's move ahead. First one is, do not say I have to, say instead I get to. Okay. Number 2 is, take full responsibility of your own learning. Now, one way to bring about a change in this area is to just ask yourself that if I am not responsible for my learning, then who is? Okay. Now, asking yourself this question will help you to realize that no one else is responsible for your learning, not your teachers and not your parents.
Reproduction is defined as a biological process in which an organism gives rise to the young ones from the similar itself. The offsprings grow, mature, and in turn they produce new offspring. Thus, there is a cycle of the birth, growth, and death. Reproduction enables the continuity of the species generation after generation. You will study later in chapter 5 the inheritance of the principles and variation, how genetic variation is created and inherited during reproduction. Here, there is a large diversity in the biological world and each organism has evolved its own mechanism to multiply and produce offspring. The organism's habitats, its internal physiology and several other factors are collectively responsible for how it reproduces. Based on whether there is a participation of one organism or two in the process of reproduction, it is of two types. When offspring is produced by a single parent with or without the involvement of the gamete formation, the reproduction is known as asexual. When two parents or the opposite sex participate in the reproductive process and also involve fusion of the male and the female gamete, it is called sexual.
Number 3 point, which is very important, that is, do more than what others are willing to do. This thing you can follow as you are a student or if you are a teacher too. In your academics, as in any area of the human endeavor, the students who excel are the ones who were prepared to go to the extra mile. Number 4 is, do not focus on your grades. But remember that grades are just a form of the feedback. Number 5 is, view challenges positively. When you are learning something new, you are likely to feel overwhelmed with it. Now this means that instead of telling yourself that something is too hard, you tell yourself that it is an opportunity to grow your brain. This is a healthy egg breakfast in between which I am having. It is made up of bread flour and some added sugar. Next, write down 3 to 5 reasons why you should do or why you want to do well academically. Like you can say you have enough reasons, you can do the most incredible things. Number 7, volunteer and serve others regularly. By volunteering and serving others, as I am doing, teaching it online, education is always about learning from others or passing that knowledge to others. Now, by volunteering and serving others, you will start to see that your life isn't mainly about you. It is about about using your skills and knowledge to make the world a better place. In turn, this will give you the willpower to preserve the midst of the obstacles. Number 8. Now regain your focus by asking two questions. First question is, what's important now? And the second is, what's important next? Now, if you know that what's important now, you will be sticking to your work at the same time. Now, if you will know that what's important next, then whenever you will be unable to focus, these two questions will bring you back to the present. Number 9, but not the least. Use systems and routines, as I always do. Focus on developing system and routines instead of continually thinking about what you want to do to accomplish your goal. Students who perform well attribute their success not to the lofty goals, but to their daily systems and processes. The problem with focusing too much on the goals is that this doesn't enable you to connect to your goals with the effort which is required. Success involves committing to a discipline and a routine even when the going gets tough. So well, after completing my lunch, I was taking this session. Now coming to the last point, that is, be a professional student. Now when you are in school, it is easy to think that you are just a student. It seems like you don't have a job or a profession yet. That's why you are still in the school. But when do you have a job? Being a professional student is very important. As a professional student, you should take it as just as serious as your job, and you will be able to complete all your education formally. Now, professional students are more responsible, focused, and they are always hardworking. At the evening time, I'll just water some plants. And this is probably the best part of my day. Well, after watering my plants, I'm here with a plate full of fruits, just to maintain my dietary fiber. Acidic fruit like grapes can be hard on your stomach, so always mix a sweet fruit either, like a banana.
The correct answer will be splicing. Next, question number 51. Read the following four statement. In transcription, adenosine pairs with uracil. In option B is regulation of the lac operon by the repressor is referred to as the positive regulation. Option number C is the human genome has approximately 50,000 genes, and option number D is hemophilia is a sex-linked recessive disease. Question number 51 on your screen.
Well, in my work with this online platform, I have seen a positive learning revolution happening in the global classroom everywhere. Students are being given significant problems with a real-world connection to tackle it and owing them start to finish. Not only they are focused on the solution, but also they are using creativity and innovation to surprise the teacher at every turn. Above all, they are making meaningful interactions with each other as they work together to solve problems that matters. Now it all starts with constructive and lively discussions that led opinions to be shared and voices to be heard. Now I'm just struggling to reach the point of time where I should be afraid of making mistake even though there's no punishment. I want to be more responsible one day by day. Mid-20s are actually the time when you have so much to do and explore yourself in every possible way. So what do you think? Does our technology connect us more or isolate us more? Let me know in the comment section below about your opinion and thought. Until then, we'll see you on the next video on the next vlog. Bye bye, take care, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Selling to Success. Hope you like this video. Then share this video with your friends, relatives, and most probably the student you know. And in my next vlog, I'm going to talk more about the pros and cons of the online classes and my intriguing memories of the online teaching. Thank you for watching this vlog. Bye bye. Till then, stay tuned to our channel Selling to Success and don't forget to hit the bell icon while subscribing.